Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add a header in Google Docs on the right side step by step. So let's begin. First open your document, then go to insert tab, page elements, header, different page, hold Ctrl Shift R, then right side and type anything, your content name or your name, date and time. Use custom name, okay, or click insert page number, remove page number, start page number, click other side. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.